China's ambitions in space have been growing at an astonishing pace. After establishing itself as a major player in satellite technology and building its own space station, China has now set its sights on the moon. The Chinese National Space Administration, CNSA, aims not only to explore the lunar surface but also to establish a long-term lunar base, potentially mining resources like helium-3, a material that could be revolutionary for clean energy. With missions planned to retrieve samples, land rovers, and eventually send astronauts, it's clear that China's lunar goals are serious. But why isn't the United States, a long-time leader in space exploration, working with China to achieve these shared milestones? For America, the answer lies in both politics and policy. In 2011, the US Congress passed the Wolf Amendment, which restricts NASA from cooperating with China on space projects without specific authorization. This decision was fueled by concerns over national security, technology theft, and human rights issues, creating a barrier that has kept the two countries' space programs largely separate. While cooperation could accelerate lunar exploration, allowing NASA and CNSA to pool resources, the geopolitical tensions and mistrust between the nations have prevented any major partnerships from forming. Another reason for limited cooperation is the competitive nature of space exploration. Both the United States and China see space as a realm not just for scientific discovery, but for strategic influence. Establishing a presence on the moon offers military and economic advantages, from potential future defense installations to accessing valuable lunar resources. For the US, maintaining its edge in space means securing its national interests, and working with China could mean sharing sensitive technologies that might compromise that goal. This competition echoes the dynamics of the Cold War-era space race, with both countries racing to stake a claim on the next frontier. However, there are those who believe that collaboration between the US and China in space is not only possible, but essential for humanity's future. The moon's resources could support both nations' energy and scientific needs, and working together could avoid duplicative costs and efforts. Proponents argue that in the vastness of space, there's room for cooperation without compromising national security. They believe a joint lunar base could symbolize global unity and usher in an era of peaceful exploration beyond Earth. As China and the US pursue their separate lunar goals, the question remains, how long can humanity's two biggest space players afford to remain divided? With the challenges of deep space exploration requiring immense resources, technology, and international support, perhaps a united effort is the key to unlocking the moon's secrets for all of humankind. But for now, political divides and competitive ambitions keep cooperation a distant dream.